Hey guys, welcome to Tube Talk Media, where creators level up. Now, I know since I started this channel, it's pretty much just been my full name, Aubrey McMullen. Perfectly fine, happy with my name. My name isn't the easiest to spell. Every time I tell people about my channel, I'm having to spell my name out. And I wanted to kind of make it where it's a little easier to find my particular channel. Um, Many of you came from subscribing from my job at Best Buy, well, at least my second job. Um, so you may be checking my videos out based off of my name. Now, when you have a YouTube channel, you want to try to make it successful. Yes, you can brand or make a brand out of your name, but sometimes, depends on what your end goal really is, it might be better to actually have an actual name that you could get an LLC behind, that you can have a logo, you can have a slogan, and make it where it makes sense. Now, looking at other channels such as Think Media, you've heard me talk about them in the past. Sean Cannell, he's built a name for himself before he even got to Think Media. That's where I really want to be, where, I started, but I want to have growth. My other channel, Psycho Gamer, I kind of outgrew it in my opinion. The content I was making grew a little stagnant. Um, if you haven't found that, the link is going to be below. You can go and subscribe to that channel. I just haven't done anything on that channel in a while now, and I want to, but I'm not 100% sure on when I'm going to do another video there. Um, it could be soon. It might be tonight. It might not be anytime soon. So I guess it's a dilemma that many of us are going to go through, where is it a failed channel? I don't feel it's a failed channel. Um, the channel didn't take off like I wanted because it's a very small niche. I got almost to 900 subscribers. There was a point when I had posted so many videos that I had already hit the actual 4,000 hours to get monetized, but I'd only had 500 subscribers. So I had to work really, really hard to get even to that particular level. And I think in some ways I burned myself out. Most of my videos were based off of Arcade 1-Up, and once a certain head of that company left, there wasn't as much drama going on. There wasn't as much stuff being leaked out anymore to the public, and the company really stopped listening to their actual customer base, their fans, and a lot of people started getting rid of their machines and not really caring anymore. I'd only had one, so I wasn't, in a great place to have tons and tons of arcade cabinets to really talk about. But, I liked talking about the stuff because I like retro games. And it's pretty bad when, PS3 is becoming like retro, and even PS4 is getting that way now. You don't have the new current consoles. Hey, you've got a retro console. Sorry to kind of tell you about that. But my channel is more to help you guys succeed when it comes to starting in YouTube. Don't get discouraged. Your channel may or may not take off, but there's a lot of things that you have to look at. First thing you want to do is, are you doing this for fun? Or are you doing this to eventually make it a business? Maybe leave your 9 to 5 job and do a video where you work for an hour or two a day, if that, just to post it. Do you have to have the greatest, equipment? Like, I've got decent equipment here. It's a lot better than most people are going to have to start out. But realistically, you can use your phone and use just a basic little microphone, whether it's a little lavalier microphone, a wireless one, a wired one. I mean, you can get microphones out there for less than $50 that'll connect to your phone and give you just the sound that you want. Do you need to have a room dedicated to all this? No. You can sit in your car. You can sit in the bathroom if you want to. Might be a little iffy on that one, but there's a lot of people who make their videos. They've got tens of thousands of subscribers, and they're still using the same cell phone that they were using, 3, 4 years ago. They're using the same microphone, or they're not even using a microphone. They're just using what's on their actual phone. You don't have to do anything crazy. Most of your phones these days have cameras that are really, really good quality. Depends on if it's facing you or facing away. You definitely want to have the outer camera facing you if you want to get the best quality. But these are just a couple of ideas that, you can utilize to get started with your channel. And you're going to hear me talk about that in multiple videos that are out there. So again, don't get discouraged. If it's not going the direction you want, change your approach. Change things up. Like I changed the name of my channel. Hopefully for the better. I've already started seeing a few subscribers coming on here that I didn't have before. But I'm still the face of the channel, obviously. But the content hopefully is going to get better. Hopefully I'll have more time to create more content for you guys. I work 2 jobs, and living situation is a little unique, but when I can, I will try to post videos for you guys. Don't forget about me because it might be 2-3 week stretches before I get another video posted out for you guys. But I do have a couple in the pipelines here, so make sure you check those out when I post them. I thank you guys for coming to the channel. If you subscribed, you're awesome. If you haven't, you're still awesome. But join the channel, check out my old videos. Maybe you might find some content that might actually hit you near and dear to the heart in terms of what you're looking for and how it can better your experience on making YouTube videos. Until next time, guys, keep on creating. Smash that record.